fresh faces. In today's home decor segment, we can see a simple planter by using popsicle sticks. Before getting into my video, if you are new to my channel, please hit the bell icon to subscribe to my latest updates. So today I am going to show you a simple home decor by using popsicle sticks. So first of all, you require a few popsicle sticks. So first we have to take an unwanted bottle, an ordinary bottle. So first I have cut these bottles according to the length of the popsicle stick. Okay. The next product is glue gun. First we need to stick these popsicle sticks onto this bottle by using a glue gun. So I'll show you. Now you can see that a beautiful planter is ready out of popsicle sticks, pencil and pen stand. I have just used an artificial flower and pasted on it. You can either paint on all sides and use it. Now I just poured water and added my indoor plants to it. You can see. Please do try this beautiful home decor in your home, dears. It takes hardly less than 10 minutes to do. You can keep it on your tabletop also. So that's all for today's video. See you soon in my next video. Until then, stay healthy and stay motivated. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Before signing off, last week Mason jar decor has been recreated by Samvida from Chennai. If you need to share your recreated crafts, please mail me at freshfaceschannel@gmail.com.